If you're experiencing billing problems on Revolut, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are facing. This could include incorrect charges, subscription issues, or payment failures. Having clear details will help in resolving the issue faster. Step 2. Check transaction history. Log into your Revolut account and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions that may have caused the billing problem. Take note of any relevant details such as dates and amounts. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Revolut's customer support through the app or their website. Use the in-app chat feature for quicker responses. Provide them with all necessary details about your billing issue to facilitate a swift resolution. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communication, including dates and times, to ensure you have all relevant information at hand. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been reported and addressed, continue to monitor your account for any further discrepancies. Ensure that your billing information is up to date to prevent future problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Revolut. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance through official channels or community forums.